Hi, on today's video I'm going to teach you about how to restore your deleted files or videos or anything that I've deleted before and I've gone to the recycling bin. So the first trick I'm going to teach you about is about the dragging way to restore things. So first of all, you go into the recycling bin. I suggest you minimize it a little bit so it can be like this. So you can place it in anywhere. If you want to place it on the desktop, you can just left click and hold and just drag it on the desktop there, and it will be there. And that's all. And the second way to restore your files is by pressing you right click on the icon or thing that you want to restore. Just right click on it and press restore and go on your desktop, and that's all. It has been restored wherever you did it from. Maybe for example, if I did like this, delete, it will come into the recycling bin. But if I had to delete to restore it again, you'll be able to find it again on the desktop, and there it is. So the third way to restore it is by right clicking it, press card and go on your desktop and just paste, and there it is. It has been restored. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you for watching.